What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to the channel if you're one of my original beautiful babes. But if you're a newbie, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that post notification bell, because you're going to want to be in for the ride. Y'all excuse my little friend. Y'all know how it goes. Everybody gets them, but I got it this time, okay? But we ain't going to worry about her because the rest of it is glowing, okay? We just going to let her hang out for a minute and learn how to operate. Okay, so right now, y'all, today we're going to be talking about something good and sweet. Absolutely. We're going to be talking about oranges. Oh my goodness, great time for oranges right now. They are so I can't wait to eat this. My mouth is watering. They're so delicious. But we're going to be talking about the beauty benefits of oranges today. Yes, we are. So if you're ready, come on in.
So y'all, talking about it, 7 beauty benefits of orange juice. Absolutely. We're going to talk about how to use orange juice in your beauty applications today. I am sure that the tangy taste of orange definitely makes your taste buds drool, but you will be happy to know that orange has tons of skin beautifying qualities too. In our more beautiful looking quest, we subject our skin to many harmful chemical preparations, but these chemical preparations are very harsh on the skin and costly too. It is the time to abandon all of these chemical preparations altogether and return to nature. And orange can help you a lot in looking good. We're going to talk about these 7 beauty benefits of oranges right now. Number 1, orange juice works effectively for shrinking large pores, toning and refreshing your skin. Just apply the juice of an orange on your face. Let it stay for about 2 to 3 minutes and then wash off. This helps in closing the enlarged pores and giving a shining glow to your face. Number 2, orange juice is rich in citric acid, which is very helpful in drying away acne, which I definitely need to dry some acne away today if you see my little friend in the middle of my forehead. Oranges contain fruit acids that gently exfoliate your skin to reveal a brighter skin every day. Just mash the grated orange peels to apply on your face to your acne and its scars. If followed regularly, you will see visible reduction in the pimples and its marks. Number 3, orange juice is an excellent beauty aid in reversing the aging process. It is replete with vitamin C, which increases the production of collagen and keeps the skin firm and moist. So from now on, always make it a point to eat 1 orange every day to ward off aging and wrinkles. Number 4, orange has the power to flush away toxins from the body. Eating oranges helps to activate the detoxification of your body. It keeps oxygen in the skin and combats free radicals to make your skin radiant and fresher. Number 5, after eating the oranges, do not throw away the peels. Dry them in the sun or put them in a brown paper bag to use its powder as a body scrub. You just blend the dried orange peels up in your magic bullet like I have, and you can apply orange peel powder mixed either with curd or milk cream on your face daily to impart a rosy glow to your face. This home remedy helps also to fade away blemishes and dark spots of the face too. Just leave it on for like 20 minutes and then wash off. Use this home remedy daily to bleach your face naturally. You can prepare a skin refreshing spray with orange peels. Just boil or pour boiling water over the orange peels and keep the orange peels in that water for 1 day. On the next day, just strain the liquid and keep it in a spray bottle in the fridge. Apply this liquid on your face with the help of cotton pads. Keep it on for some time and see how it gives a soft and glowing touch to your face. You can use this liquid as well in regular face mask too. Or just add this liquid in your bath water for a refreshing and rejuvenating experience. I also use it as a spritzer in my little spray bottle and just spray it on my face and leave it there. Number 7, if you have oily skin, take out the juice of 2 oranges and put it in an ice cube tray. Yes, then rub the frozen orange cubes on your face to spruce up and brighten your dull and lackluster face. This refines your pores and reduces the oiliness of your face to control acne. It is one of the most important benefits of applying oranges on the face. Absolutely. 7 beauty benefits of oranges. And y'all, there you have it. In no time, you'll have a radiant complexion from using oranges.
All right, beautiful babes, that is it. If you enjoyed today's video, very simple remedies. Oh yes, beauty benefits of oranges. Did you know? I tell you what, it's always something great going on right here. So I'm glad I could share it with you today. If you learned something new, make sure you drop a like on the video. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section. I'm going to be doing my very best to answer everybody's questions. Yes, I am. And beautiful babes, y'all already know you can't keep all this goodness, all this sweetness to yourself. It ain't good for you. So you know what you got to do? Yes, girl. Share me with your world, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.